Great grind day, great grind day. Welcome to your Vitamin G Conversations with Kendall. So look, I tell people all the time, and this is like my favorite quote that I share with people, don't let the way you feel affect the way you flow. There were plenty of times in my life, like I didn't feel like doing something. Even now, like what most people don't know, or maybe you do know, I have sarcoidosis, which is lupus's cousin. And when I'm not in remission, or I'm not on prednisone or whatever, I wake up and my whole body is in pain. Like I'm achy every time I wake up. And I'm also always tired. Like I don't have the energy all the time. I don't feel like getting up all the time. I don't feel like working out all the time. I don't always feel at my best. But I can't let the way I feel affect the way I flow. And when people hear me say that, they think I'm only speaking about physically how do I feel, and that affecting the way that I flow. But I want to tell you today that it's not just about the physical feeling, that it is also about the emotional, the mental, like how are you feeling emotionally? Because there's gonna be times when life busts you right upside the head. There's gonna be times when that rent ain't getting paid. There's gonna be times when they might repo the car. And so it's not just a physical feeling. There's an emotional feeling that you gotta get control of. There's fear that can stop you from doing what you're supposed to do. And I'm telling you today that you gotta fight that thing. You still got to stand up and put forth the motion and the work. And it's in that work when you get the most success. It's in that work when you get past the way you feel affecting the way you flow that you start to see results. Because you start training your body not to worry about how you feel. How you feel is really irrelevant. That's really selfish the more I think about it. I used to be selfish when I would allow the way I'm feeling mentally or the way I'm feeling emotionally to stop me from putting in this work that some of y'all are counting on to get you through the day, that some of y'all are counting on to get you through the night, to save your marriage, to save your relationship, to help you be a better parent, whatever it is. If I allow the way I feel to stop it, then I'm being selfish and I'm only thinking about myself. I need you to stop being so damn selfish. I need you to start thinking about the people that you ain't met yet, the people that haven't been born yet, the people that need to hear what you got and need to see you grind. They need to see you work. Don't let the way you feel affect the way you flow. Somebody counting on you. Y'all have a great grind day. We talk soon.